Today I am going to discuss where you will use the preposition into and not in, the cases where into is used. I will discuss it with some colorful pictures, and these pictures will help you to make a clear conception on this topic. First of all, into denotes motion or direction towards the interior of something. So it denotes motion or direction inward, inward direction. It does not denote any static condition. It denotes something kinetic. It denotes a movement towards the interior of something. It denotes a movement or direction inward direction. So the first example will make the matter easy. The first example, have a look at the first example. Here is a dog, and you see in the picture the dog is jumping into the river. You will never use in here. It is the fitting case for the preposition into. So the dog is jumping into the river. That means the dog is jumping from the land into the water. So it's a change of the direction. It's a change of motion. The dog is with the motion. He is jumping. He's jumping from land to water. So it's inward motion, inward direction. The dog is jumping into the river, not the dog is jumping in the river, because it shows a change, it shows direction, it shows a movement inward. The first example is very vivid and very important, and most of the students are found to make mistakes in these cases. So never use in here. Here you will use into. The second one, here you will see the picture of balls. So with the ball went into the net. So it also involves, the ball has a speed, it has a movement, and it went into the net. So the ball also involves a speed as a kinetic something. It's not static condition. It does not refer to any static condition. So the ball with a certain speed, it is a movement. It's a movement. So it does not denote any static or fixed position. So it's a movement. It's a inward motion. So the ball went into the net. That means with a certain motion, it went into the net. The next one, here the girl is diving into the river. He is plunging into the river. The girl is diving into the river. It is also it is same with the case with the dog, that in the previous examples we have cited that the dog is jumping into the river. Here also the girl is diving into the river. So it is an inward motion. It was here also it's a case of inward motion. It denotes motion or direction towards the interior of something from a higher position. From higher position, she is diving into the river. She is plunging into the river. So it's a change of motion. It involves motion. It involves inward direction. It does not denote any static state. Does not denote any fixed state. So it's inward motion, inward movement into the water of the river. So she is diving into the river. Next one, same case, almost the same case. Here the frog jumped into the pond. The frog jumped into the pond, not the frog jumped in the pond, because it also shows motion or direction inward from land to the water of the pond. So the frog jumped into the pond, not the frog jumped in the pond. Because it involves a motion or direction inward. The next one. Here you will see a picture of a little girl. She is making her way into the classroom. The girl is entering into the classroom, or the girl is going into the classroom. The girl is making her way into the classroom. Here also shows the picture. You will definitely come to know that it also shows, or it also refers to a motion or direction inward, involving a motion. It's not a case of static something. It's not a static condition. It's not a fixed condition. It involves a movement. And the girl is entering into the room. She is entering into the room, so it also denotes a motion or direction inward. It's a very fitting example, and you will never use in here. It is also into. So into always denotes a motion. It does not denote, it never denotes any static or fixed condition. It denotes a motion, a direction inward something. The next one, very good example. The picture is very fine. Here you see the picture of ice that is melting into water. So you will say ice melts into water. It, in this case, into suggests the change of state, or the change of condition. The change of state from ice, that is solid, and it is now changing into water, that is liquid. So from solid to liquid, this is a case of change of state. And when we will describe something like this, a change of state, we will always use the preposition into. So here you will say ice melts into water. Water, another state of condition, and ice is another state of condition. Ice is solid and water is liquid. So here the water, here the ice undergoes a change. So he will say ice melts into water. Ice melts into water, not in. Next one, the apple has been cut into two pieces. So cut the apple into two pieces. That is two parts, two halves. So something you are cutting into two parts or two segments, then you will use the preposition into. The next one, the onion. The same case, cut an onion into small pieces. Cut an onion into small pieces. That is a slice. So cut it into small slices. Cut into small pieces. Here the preposition will be used. The preposition into will be used, not the in. Cut an onion into small pieces. While preparing an omelette, you will say that take some onions, and now the onions are cut into small pieces. The next one, here is a passage, and it is and now you will say that translate it into Hindi. Suppose this passage is in English, and if you translate it into, render it into into another language, so you will say translate the passage into Hindi, translate the poem into English. So it's also a change of state from one language, from one person to another person. So you will say that translate it into Hindi, translate the poem into English, etc. So I've tried my level best to explain where the preposition into will be used, and if this video proves useful and very educative for you, then I earnestly request everybody to subscribe my channel and to hit the like button and share it more and more. That will definitely motivate me to make such type of creative videos. Thank you very much for watching my video.